driving while fatigued is extremely dangerous. Maintain a consistent schedule, plan your route, and avoid high-risk hours like mid-afternoon and late at night. Police determined that the car failed to yield while turning left, and the truck did not slow at the intersection, making both parties equally at fault. Fortunately, firefighters quickly extinguished a fire on the truck's rear tire, preventing a potential disaster. Speeding in heavy rain greatly increases the risk of losing control. Even though a warning was given, the black car did not maintain a safe following distance, leading to a collision. If you miss a highway exit, do not stop or reverse. It is both dangerous and illegal. The white car lost control at high speed and crashed into a tree, flipping over. Luckily, the driver was unharmed. The man in the orange shirt appears to have been drinking excessively. With no vehicles ahead but many on the left, the truck unexpectedly changed lanes, causing a car to lose control and hit the guardrail. A parked truck loaded with steel coils began rolling before the driver could secure it, ultimately colliding with another truck. Always engage your handbrake when parked. To regain control, the truck's load must be reduced. These parking spots demonstrate poor judgment, as one vehicle was even parked atop another. Trucks must begin deceleration well in advance upon noticing traffic ahead. The parked white car narrowly avoided a collision, illustrating how chance can sometimes avert disaster. Although the driver's collision with the median resulted in no visible damage, such behavior is inherently unsafe. The poor condition of this road causes significant damage to truck tires and rims, similar to a demolition derby. The operator of wheel loader 69 intentionally sprayed muddy water onto an excavator, causing an unexpected jolt. This slippery, winding road significantly increases the risk of trucks losing control. Attempting to reverse on the highway created a dangerous situation, but prompt police intervention prevented further incidents. Although the car lost control, 2 trucks helped prevent it from leaving the road entirely. The front car's loss of control appears linked to the driver's inexperience. The driver in the swaying truck cabin appeared visibly alarmed. Truck carrying a wind turbine blade overturned, resulting in damage to the blade. The reversing forklift, partially on a slope, flipped over due to improper maneuvering. Initially, it seemed the driver miscalculated the gap between concrete blocks, but he then deployed a corrective device. Two trucks simultaneously veered into a roadside ditch, resulting in a severe, preventable collision. Above all, safe driving must be a steadfast commitment on every journey. Driving safely isn't just about navigating roads, it's about protecting lives. Buckling up and driving responsibly affect not only ourselves, but everyone on the road. Respecting traffic rules, staying alert, and anticipating hazards are essential for safety. Adjusting speed, using signals, and yielding when needed are crucial for maintaining road safety. The man clung desperately to his truck as it slowly rolled down a cliff, despite his efforts to stop it. Two cargo trucks collided, spilling their loads and causing a miles-long traffic jam, emphasizing the need for secure cargo. The Audi's malfunctioning rear sensors caused it to back up unsafely, ignoring the vehicle behind. This event marked China's largest mobilization of excavators, with 1,000 machines operating in coordinated effort. The man in the black shirt was standing in a dangerously precarious area, ignoring essential safety measures. The concrete mixer truck's driver mistakenly shifted into reverse instead of drive at a critical moment. Every time we check our mirrors, signal turns, or obey speed limits, we contribute to overall road safety. Patience and kindness are key to preventing accidents. Safe driving is a mindset of vigilance, focus, and responsibility. A powerful tractor intervened by pulling the truck from the mud, demonstrating the importance of robust equipment in emergencies. In Russia's harsh wilderness, the blue truck stands out as a formidable off-road vehicle built to conquer challenging terrain. With a robust build and powerful engine, this truck is designed to navigate tough landscapes, from forests to marshes, with determination. Versatile and resilient, this truck efficiently handles winding trails and steep inclines, hauling supplies to remote areas under challenging conditions. The round objects on the road appeared to be concrete blocks, but were actually foam, misleading the driver into a collision. Every action in traffic matters. Ensuring that wheel nuts are secure is a small yet vital precaution for safety. This road is prone to flooding when it rains, as rising water levels frequently submerge it, posing a significant hazard.